Hello everyone. Today I am here in the Margalla Hills Trail 5 for a very short trip. I'm going to show you a brief field review for Nikon 200, 500, 5.6 lens. Although it's too late, but it's never too late for anything. So let's get you up there in the field and let me share you how this lens performs and what's my experience for that. Let's go. Trail 5, on the way to the Trail 5, you can see. And we'll try something. Winter is almost at the end and we are heading towards the spring. Yeah, I think this is a good place. Maybe this is the way where we start the trail, and I think this will be the good place to sit and see what we find here. So let's set up here. So in the meantime, I found something. Let's wait for the birds. Let's start the review. This Nikon 200, 500, 5.6 is a very good lens for the wildlife and sport photography. The best part is that it has a fixed aperture. That means if you move from 200 to 500, it does not changes to the variable f-stops. It keeps on 5.6, which is very good in the low light conditions. It's not a very good comparison with any prime lens of this category, but if you ask me, it's a very good performer in terms of its price and in terms of its sharpness. It's a very good sharp lens, and if you have a good handling of the autofocus, you can do it. It's a very good lens. So you can see these pictures. This is from my Africa trip in 2015, and you can see a few details, and I'm just sharing with you for the reference as with the exact details, so you can have an idea. This lens was firstly launched in 2015, and it's a very you can say competitive lens from the price and from the range it offers. If you are a wildlife enthusiast and you are doing a sports and fast photography, this is a good lens. It works very well if you are using with 500 D500, maybe Nikon. It's a crop body, but that gives you a more than you can say 700 mm of the range. So, but one thing I would like to share, as from my experience, that it does not work very well with the TC converters. I am using 1.4 TC2, but it's not very very promising. First of all, your f-stops goes up to 8, fixed 8, and then the low light feature is gone. And the second part is that the autofocus is used to work very slow, not very well performed. So I don't recommend the teleconverters for this lens, but you can always use the teleconverters in the prime, and it works very well. So there are a few features on the lens that are very useful. The first one is this: if you can switch it from manual to auto. Then you have the range limiter, 6 meter and or full. So it's a VR lens, so you can turn it on and turn it off. And there is a normal and sports mode. So this is for the fast shutter. When you're using, you can switch it to the sports mode. Then there is a lock, safety lock at 200 mm. So that is very useful when you are done with your photography and it's ready to pack up. So this is the manual focus frame. It's very smooth, no worries. It's very comfortable. And this is the zoom part. This is the barrel that comes out after 200 mm. So that is there. And overall the lens performs very well. Still nothing there. I'm waiting for you guys. Come on. But I don't use it. The hood is basically good, but it's not very good quality. It's a plastic, but a bit, you can say whimsy type. So you have to take care of it very well. But it works well. That's the best part, and it fits well, and it does not comes up very easy. Let me try on the other side. Let's go on the other side and see what we can find there. Just a try. In wildlife photography, not all your days are the luckiest day. So you have to do some, roam around, and patience is very important for the wildlife photography. And once you get the good shot, only one shot is your payback for your trip. So let's be patient, okay? Yes, guys, I have found a good tree pie and very good shots while he was flying. So let me see what comes up in post-processing. Okay, so hope you liked this video, and if you like, please subscribe to my channel so that you can continue to see my other videos. The day was fine. It was a very short, brief visit. I got a chance to capture this tree pie mostly and wabblers. So you can see these images about 200 and 500, how the quality it gives. If you have a perfect exposure and if you have a perfect lighting like today, it's a very balanced light. It's an overcast day. So catch you up there, guys, next time. See you. Bye bye.